Welcome back to school. Learning objectives. 1. Identify the rhyming words in the poem. 2. Summarize the poem in their own words. 3. Acknowledge coming back to school and appreciate the poem. Warm up. Welcome your students back to the classroom for a new school year. Are we all excited to solve this word search puzzle? Let's begin! School Days Word Search Puzzle. Dear students, the summer has ended. The school year at last has begun. But this year is totally different. I promise we'll only have fun. We won't study any mathematics and recess will last all day long. Instead of the pledge of elegance, we'll sing a rock and roll song. We'll only play games in the classroom. You're welcome to bring in your toys. It's okay to run in the hallways. It's great if you make lots of noise. For homework, you'll play your Nintendo. You'll have to watch lots of TV. For field trips, we'll go to the movies and get lots of candies for free. The lunchroom will only serve chocolate and triple fudge sundaes supreme. Yes, that's what I heard from my teacher before I woke up from my dream. A poem by Ken Nesbitt. Find meaning. Elegance, loyalty. Field trips, trips by students to study something. Prevalence, the fact that something is common. Sunday, a sweet dish made of ice cream covered with fruit. Exercises. A. Answer the following question. A. How long will recess last? Answer. The recess will last all day long. B. Where will the students play games? Answer. The students will play games in the classroom. C. What is it okay to do in the hallways? Answer. It's okay to run in the hallways. D. Where will the students go on their field trips? Answer. The students will go to the movies on their field trips. Find their meaning. A. Pledge. Commitment. B. Fudge. Variously flavored sweets. C. Sundaes. Ice cream topped with fruit. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. A. We won't study any mathematics and recess will last all day long. B. It's okay to run in the hallways. It's great if you make lots of noise. Match the following. Column A. A. Fudge. B. Elegance. C. Recess. Column B. A. Dispersal. B. A sweet dish made of cake. C. Loyalty. Answer. A. Fudge. A sweet dish made of cake. B. Elegance. Answer. Loyalty. C. Recess. Dispersal. Take the correct option. A. We won't study any 1. Mathematics. 2. English. 3. Science. 1. Mathematics. B. Where will the students play the game? 1. Playground. 2. Classroom. 3. Home. Answer: playground.